In case that video you say it's too long because 15 minutes and 15 minutes, let me try to recapture. This is the hair you put in Whitney Houston. I wanna dance with somebody. Then, after that, put this on her. Since you're not around for me to tell you, baby, face to face. It's here. But, in case that video will be posted, let me try to change the subject a little bit different. You post a video on a 135. Whitney Houston is looking at the moon. I pause it. That's the moon. You direct the video, you tell her to watch out of the window. I pause it. There she is in the car. You tell her to look out of the window. By 1:35, she will be dead, which is her daughter, is the she, and she was the mother. That's how you program. You say the girl sitting next to Whitney have Whitney face, identical face. You make Whitney turn to say, this girl is gonna take over. You like to kill what is talent and bring what is illiterate. Because the illiterate you can use and the talent you cannot use. Whitney turn on the side. It shows the nose of Whitney, identical this girl. But she's watching at the moon. There's the moon. I pause it. Now, when you steal the dick, you was left outside. Mother Nature used the rat to transit as a monkey, transit as a gorilla, transit as horse. But people like to play with monkey. Michael Jackson have one monkey. And now Libby, the Jackson oldest sister, a monkey came. It is unbelievable. The monkey came to fuck the oldest daughter out of Katherine Jackson and make a baby boy. The monkey is the Asian man that's stealing black people body and white people body. But I only know one thing for sure, that you're not getting away with it this time, because me, the body, I will die. You would think you can control what lives in my eye, but you can't control it anymore because the consciousness is one step ahead of you. I have a rat in my skewer. People buy it to destroy my things I have. The rat was biting and destroying all my stuff. So what I do, I started giving it food. I put water, I put cola, I put sinners, I put tea, different things to see if the rats really drink. The rat is emptying everything because I have a key, the door closed. And I'm watching, I see the rat going inside from the hole. And when I feed in the rat is eating. It say, the God is still all living things, only transit from the little to the big. But when they take the sperm of the monkey, and the monkey is playing with this little child, end up fucking the little child. And the family protect their daughters, but they thinking, it's just one baby, it was nothing. But no, the youngest child of the white woman is the oldest one. And now the youngest child is making the oldest baby boy, the monkey, hijack the brain of the white man, living in the body, masturbating the body, and then they take it and test it in black people. And now what they end up doing, they give the monkey a black body, and the monkey have the tone of the white man. And now the monkey is a king in the world. The money, M-O-N-E-Y. It's M-O-N-K-E-Y. People wake up in the morning, they have jobs, they have loan, but they don't know which God is producing it. The consciousness is one step ahead of you. When they tried to kill me, 14th of November 2012, that day, they think the poison they give me, I succeed to die. But I did not drink the poison. In the morning, they kill a rat, they slice a rat, and put it, they say a rat is dead. I saw the rat. I got outside, the consciousness make me know it was a coup, and I see all the people who pass to see if I was dead. I see the rat, they open the rat, the chest of the rat. The rat has everything human has. The heartbeat, everything what you see in autopsy. I lift it like this, and I put it in front of my door for a couple of hours, then I put it away again. But a couple of months later, they buy a rat and put it in my compound. And now the rat is eating my stuff. So I say, okay, if the rat can eat my stuff, let me give food to the rat. Maybe the rat will stop eating my stuff. I test it. It works. So what they do, they know the rat was getting free food and everything. They kill the rat. And they dump it in my basket outside to scare me. And then they buy another rat and put it. But I find it strange because the rat that used to eat the first, when I give the food, the rat is taking it every day. But I look, the rat cannot eat everything. The rat have a place where the rat keeping everything. And I go to look. 3 days, the rat is not taking nothing. The rat is missing. And then a couple of days later, there is a new rat. And this rat is not keeping food in the same place. That's when I notice it's just another rat. But the rat is still doing the same thing because they find food in the darkness. They can find the food. The rat is the god. That is the fly. That is the monkey. That is the gorilla that become us. But the monkey is now the god that give us this technology. And you sitting when I'm doing webcam, I am now, my life, my minute, and when this video is finished, is the day I was born, and the years, the month, the hours, the second, and the 15-minute count. The next minute, the monkey is counting me to the next 30 minutes. So it's my life, but it's worth it, because it's only one person that is dealing with the video. They need to know what's the meaning of these videos. You have to be next to me, I have to talk to you, but now the monkey is in between us. The monkey gonna listen, because the monkey get a copy, you get a copy. And there's many houses, they say many houses is getting the videos, but no, the monkey get a copy. You talk to people, they know what you say to the people, and the monkey get a copy of the conversation. But if you're next to me, I'm talking to you, there's no phone call, there's no computer. I can tell you what you need to know private. But telephone is there so the monkey can listen to our conversation. And if you notice, when I post a video and I check translator, the translating my video is so bad. I'm like, who is translating so bad? I know what I'm saying. If someone who understands broken English, you can understand what I'm saying. But someone who don't understand the language, when you press the button like you are foreigner, you want to know what's the English, they type in mumbo jumbo. It's totally, and these people gonna be reading, but they don't understand what I'm saying. They're gonna believe what they're reading is what I'm saying. So the monkey, let me, in case the other video is blocked, the monkey that fuck the little girl, the people raise the baby, but they fear the monkey not to come next to their family anymore. But they try to do experiments with the baby, because the baby grow up and have half Asian and white structure. It's just, you can see the hair. All the white man with the sharp hair is the monkey. A real white man have soft curly hair. All the white man you see, all white women with sharp hair is the monkey, because the monkey is a rat that have sharp hair. It's everywhere, many places. So what they do, the people who really believe that the monkey is just a mistake, no, they take the throne of the black and the throne of the white. And now the monkey have this arm is the white and this arm is the black. Only the black man and the white man has to observe what's going on to save the planet. Because if they don't observe what's going on, then they cannot see that the free gift they get is not coming from any god. Because the god is ordinary wind. God is an idea in the mind that becomes something. But the monkey is fully in charge of the blind Asians that pop out of our list. And now secretly have a perfect wall. If you press play, if you take the time to press play in India movie, you will see your face, you will see your family, you know. Because the white man that was stolen with the monkey farm went on to become black and white, and now there is this manipulation in the body which the consciousness is peeling the skin, vitiligo. You don't know the vitiligo and the white anymore. There is so much mix, but the wall is perfect on the Indian side. It's where the monkey is hiding our people. The Indian, long hair, our shape, our faces, and they dancing in there, 1,000 girls dancing to entertain us. So take a good look what's going on. It is right there. I'm gonna stop posting because this is more serious than I thought, because I'm not talking to people alone. I always say enough. If there's something, I'm not putting my life. This is my life. And when I go to sleep, they take this and they take a current to play something in my body. When black people are having sex, they make a porno. And when I'm sleeping, they know it's a feeling. They try to test it in my body, but I'm not giving my wings. So our life is not, our bedroom is not ours anymore, because we're secretly feeding the monkey that become the Indians. He goes with a dick into the black, but it's the white man that fall inside the black, and then take the black and put it. Right now I have a video. I'm gonna save a video in case the video is blocked. An Asian girl, which is not, I did talk about it in the video. I say that is I have to show Whitney again in case the video is blocked. This is the video Whitney do. There's a prediction in the video. They give Whitney idea to watch the moon. But in this video, there's a body double that came to overthrow Whitney Houston. Whitney, look away, and you can see the body double on the side. I have to stop before I run out of time again. Whitney, look away. You can see the girl have the same face as Whitney. I will save the video. This girl is a girl that have no mind. So the thing is now, the Asian man is not the Asian man. There's a mix. There's a stolen body from us. When they are white, they call them the Chinese because they are white, and when they are black, they call them the Indonesia. They call them the Thai people, the dark ones. The monkey is rolling the wall, and our life is not safe. But I'm busy helping the consciousness to block today. I'm 1,003 days. The outcome will be, trust me, the truth will come out.